Look. Look.
So y'all, today's video, this video is, I guess it's part 2 of the last video. If y'all have not seen that, it's me making my niece an outfit out of random material that I have, and I showed you guys in the video. Go check that out. But anyways, this video, I will be doing a flat lay photo shoot, photo, whatever, to put on my Instagram for my brand. Y'all can go check that out, and I'll put it right here. It's probably by Uni. So let's just get in this video real quick. I'm gonna just show y'all like how I do my flat lays. I'm not a professional at this. I literally only did like 4 flat lays in my life, but I get the concept, so I'm gonna just show y'all, and y'all can tell me in the comments what I'm doing wrong, what I should add, what I should not do, whatever the case may be. I only got one background, just so y'all know. So this is the front, this is the back, this is, I was hoping that that was dry. It's dry. Okay, so this is, sorry y'all, so this is the back, and then the front is so plain, y'all. I should do something else to it, but I don't want to do too much because this outfit, I don't want it to be too much. And then this is the front. So let's get started on the flat lay. So, and y'all, I know it look all awkward, but when she put it on, it's not gonna look like that. It's supposed to be like not fitted. It's supposed to be big, oversized right here, and then the sleeves and stuff. And then the threading is supposed to look childish. I'm gonna go around my house and find like little objects that I can put in here to make it look cute and make it pop, okay? Liner for a jacket. And then I got this plant right here. And I actually got another plant I'm gonna put in here. Hold on. As well, I might not use all this stuff.
Hey, look, I'm God's chosen, soft-spoken, ghetto poems, pure emotion. Look, I'm the type of nigga that's gonna keep going, spilling all this drink, we just keep pouring.